Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a casual term that's commonly used in spoken English, especially in informal settings. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as gonna, gonna, go-na, gonna. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as gonna, gonna, ga-na, gonna. It refers to the informal contraction of going to, often used in everyday conversations to express future intentions or plans. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.